Hey my Amber babies, how you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today I'm going to be showing to you how I am using Aquapen. I'm going to be using 0.5 millimeter Aquapen cartridge in the pen, and also I'm going to be using 0.5 Dermaroller. I'm going to show you how to combine those two microneedle tools. You know guys, I'm obsessed about microneedle tools. Microneedle tools are really great if you have a loss of volume in your cheeks, which right now I have it. I've been traveling a lot and I need to just literally firm this part of my face jowls to have it nicer, plumper skin. So it's good for wrinkles, for fine lines, for hyperpigmentation. If you have acne scars, I will go to bigger size like 0.75 or 1 millimeter Dermaroller. Then, oh, by the way, at this time I am filming Instagram live and I see 20 people watching. So if you're watching right now this YouTube video and you're not following me on Instagram, then go to Instagram, JinAmberX, and follow me on Instagram. This is kind of cool, guys, right? Anyway, so I am going to be starting this routine. I'm filming entire routine from cleansing my face until like what I'm going to be using after microneedling. And I take a headband. What I'm going to be removing, I have just a tinted SPF that I put in the morning. And you know, guys, I don't wash my face in the morning. I'm going to be using, this is really great. This is LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I'm taking a little bit and just applying and massaging everywhere. You want to really, you know, people say video starts at 3 minutes, 4 minutes and stuff like this. The most important part in the microneedle session, it's preparation before microneedling. The preparation before microneedle, it is really important step. If you don't cleanse your skin really well, and if you have bacteria left on your skin and you put needle on that bacteria and insert in your skin, it could go to your blood, minute or nearly a minute. I want to make sure everything melted. Like usually I will go to the bathroom to wash my face, right? But I have here makeup removing cloth, which is very gentle. Don't use wet towel. Don't use just regular wet towel. Use makeup removing cloth, which usually they are much softer. This one is from Pixie Beauty. I believe they sent it to me. I like that a lot. So gently I am removing that cleansing balm. So my next step, I always do double cleansing before microneedling. After I remove a cleansing balm, I will go to Amber Beauty BHA exfoliating cleanser, which is really great if you have any kind of inflammation. And right now I have a little bit, tiny bit of redness over here. I have rosacea sometimes, once in a while when I'm stressed or when I don't sleep well. Last week I had Tony Robbins event and I haven't slept literally in a week. So like normally I slept like 4 or 5 hours, but not 7 hours, and I need that beauty sleep. So I'll be using this cleanser. This is natural. It has actually 92% natural ingredients and 75% organic ingredients. And you know guys, as a holistic esthetician and a brand owner, to me it is very important to have natural ingredients, because non-natural ingredients are not really safe to you. It can irritate the skin, and the most importantly, skin is like a sponge and it absorbs everything. Wherever you apply on your skin, it literally absorbs everything. Imagine, for example, if you have a contraceptive patch, right? And that contraceptive patch prevents you from having, you know, getting pregnant, right? Having kids. So that goes into your hormones, into your bloodstream, that goes everywhere. So whenever you apply on your skin, be cautious. Choose natural instead of non-natural. You want to be safe. You want to be healthy, right? All right, I'm so excited. Okay, taking my Aquapen, and then, well, usually you could use Aquapen in 2 ways. So you need a cartridge to use Aquapen. So you could use with the liquid inside the pen and without the liquid, which is aka serum. So I am making sure this is tight, this skinnier part, and the like fatty part I'm opening because here are the needles. So I'm inserting that. You have to take this off, inserting that, putting that back. So you could actually put the serum in, or you do this and then later put in serum. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna put serum. I'm a fan of putting serum after, even though this pen is really amazing. You could actually, over here guys, you know, you could open this part you could pump serum in, close it, and you could actually inject the serum. Should I do this? If you want to see how to do this, I'm gonna link right here in the corner, and you can actually watch it. You go there and watch it. There's a full video how to put the serum inside the pan and everything, and I'm gonna be using just like that. So I double wash my face. I don't want to use alcohol because I have a little bit like rosacea inflammation right now. I've been eating such a shitty food, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not an angel. I do sometimes shitty things for my health and for my skin. My hands are super clean. I click this, I hold it, and I'm gonna be doing maybe level number 2 or 3. Let's do 3. So I could start on the forehead, I could start on the cheek. This is really up to you. So I'm starting in the middle, 11 lines, like this. And I don't drag like most of the people like do this, right? That's not the right way to do it. You could do this, you're not gonna die, nothing gonna crazy happen to you, but the right way to do it's dab, like, or tap, like really touch it and lift it, touch it and lift it, touch it and lift it, touch it and lift it. You know why? When you drag your pen, the needle goes fast, right? There's not enough time to actually lift it for the all needles at once, and kind of you scratching your skin a little bit. I have done testing on a piece of paper. I was dragging the pen, and then I was doing just dot. And where at dots, it was so much smoother. I'm all about micro little things, but this is so important, is your face. And why I'm yelling, I don't know, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. So I'm dabbing on the forehead. It's a little bit more painful. You might want to use one. It's kind of a little bit, feels like. Let me use one, yeah. Go usually 3 times over the same spot. So I'm doing this side only right now. So I did 2. And now I did 3. And if I want later, I can go through again. Let me see if I can do with the left hand the same way like I do with the right hand. Okay, lifting. I don't know if you see, guys, because it's so fast that I am actually like lifting, but I'm doing faster. So I did 1 time already. And now I'm gonna start on, I don't know, on this cheek. So dot. Maybe on the cheek, you're not gonna feel as much strong like as you feel on the forehead. Guys, do not feel does not equal no results. If you don't feel, don't freak out. It's okay. You felt on the forehead, right? That means it's working. You're not feeling that much on your cheeks with 0.5 or less because you have a lot of fat on your cheeks. If you feel on the forehead, that means it's working. So I'm dabbing, I'm doing slowly so you can see, but this is how my advanced hand does. And this is so great for aging. It's so amazing for aging, guys. You have no idea how great this is for aging. You see what happens when you eat gluten and sweets for a week? This is what happens with my skin. What can I do? You don't want to go too close to the eye. I don't recommend that. Unless you will go with the smaller size. You can go a little bit kind of around, but not too close. I don't feel today like I'm going close to the eye. And on the brow, you can lift. My eyes, like my brows start to be saggy. I go on the brows to lift these brows. A little bit around the lips for the smoker lines. I don't smoke, but it's okay to prevent it. And then marionette line right here. Okay, I'm going to this cheek. I kind of like, I like it, like feels anti-depression treatment. All right, that's okay. By the way, if you have rosacea or red skin or redness, inflammation, as soon as this is not pustules or kind of inflamed skin with the, if you have active acne, let's say, you know, hormonal acne, like with the whiteheads, I wouldn't recommend, but my rosacea is not that bad, so I can do microneedling. Actually, it helps because it strengthens your skin. It's really, really great. Oh, I feel the needles. I love it. Why I'm so obsessed with microneedle tools, guys. This is so amazing. Such a cheaper, affordable way to have a facelift at the home. Amazing. I just love it. So I did 2 times, and I'll do one last time. This is lifting, anti-aging, collagen production, stimulates all the beautiful vitamins, collagen, elastin in your skin. Great for hyperpigmentation, for the pores in your nose, or like that. It's really great for the smoker lines around, over here for the brow lift. All right, so I'm going right now a little bit extra love on the nose. For the pores, it's really, really great. It's going to shrink the pores. So that's it. You could be done with this pen, and that could be enough. For example, especially for the first time, that's definitely going to be enough. You can use this cartridge up to 3 times, but don't forget to disinfect with alcohol. This is really, really important. Put the alcohol, rinse it, put it out, and let it dry. Don't keep alcohol inside. That's not gonna be any good. So what I'm actually gonna do, because guys, I'm advanced, this is kind of advanced video. I'm taking Dermaroller, which is sealed, still inside the packaging. I'm gonna give extra love. You don't have to do this, but this is advanced. If you're following me for more than 2 years or doing microneedling for at least a year, you are advanced. So I'm taking from the packaging. Dermaroller is nice case, beautiful. I am actually taking it out, and this is already comes disinfected and stuff like this. I am rolling. I have the main issues on my cheeks, so I'm gonna go like and do mainly focusing on the jawline because it needs a little bit extra love, which Aquapen has a lot of needles, but this one is just, I am married to this. Like, guys, I am married to Dermaroller. I'm like clearly married. It's my husband. I have to do this. I can't do any facial without using my Dermaroller. Just can't. So, whoop. And I'm going on my jawline where I feel the most. Look at this, what happened. See this? I don't like this. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't like it. So, I am going in all directions. Always lift. You want to always lift, 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 lift. You don't want to do this. Lift, 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 lift. This is how you want to use your Dermaroller. And make sure your Dermaroller is real needle Dermaroller, not the fake one. You don't want to use this one. These are the fake ones. If you want to know what's the difference, I'm gonna put the video right here. All right, extra love for this pot. All right, I'm done with microneedle treatment. As you see, I'm a little bit red, and that's okay. That's okay. I'm just so in love with this sheet mask. I love it so much, but I want to kind of like propose you some amazing serums that I have. I have vitamin C booster, amazing, brightening, anti-aging, hydrating, soothing serum. I put 2 pumps on my skin, a little bit gentle, tap, 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 tap. This is so good. This is not L-ascorbic acid. Don't apply L-ascorbic acid on your skin. If you have vitamin C product, read in the back if it has L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid. Don't use it. Make sure you have something. Just get mine. Come on, it's just 45 bucks. Get mine. I know you can. I know you can. And then I'm using peptides. So this is brightening and anti-aging, right? This is firming, amino acids, peptide. It is amino acids. It's a building block for your skin. You should get this as well. 45 bucks, $90, $35. You should buy this. Just kidding. I don't know what's going on with me. So I'm getting 3 pumps of peptide. Peptide is actually, never tell you this, but peptide is my favorite cream. If you're on a budget and you don't know which one to get peptide. Peptides is firming, it's good, it's like your skin is drinking protein shake and is getting stronger every day. So under the eyes, and what I do after, guess what? I do almost every single time when I use Dermaroller, this sheet mask. It's a beautiful sheet mask that can be used on your face after microneedling. Totally safe, natural ingredients, made in Korea. Not every country can make really, really nice sheet masks. And you know what? Korea makes freaking the best of the best sheet masks. I think I'm in heaven, guys. After microneedle session, you don't want to go to the gym for 24 hours. You don't want to go to the sun, any kind of sun, not even close to the window, for 72 hours. If you have to walk the dog, walk in the morning and at night, or make your dog pee on the carpet, that's fine. And avoid any kind of sweating, any kind of exfoliation on your skin. Don't touch your skin basically for the next 72 hours. And don't wash in the morning. I always preach, and I always will. Don't wash your skin in the mornings because you want to have your healthy skin. I haven't washed my skin in the morning in 4 years. Can you believe it? And whatever is over left, do on your hands. Question: do you want me to film microneedle video for your hands? If you made it that far, I want to give you something. I haven't given you something in a really, really long time. I'm gonna give you that cleanser that I just used and 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller to 5 lucky winners. Leave down in the comments below how long you've been following me, how long you've been doing microneedling, and how much microneedling impacted your life, aka your skin. That's it. Don't tell anybody that this has been a giveaway. I'm giving this only to my loyal followers. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.